Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on how to create a successful digital marketing campaign on a limited budget. In today's world, digital marketing is more important than ever for small businesses and startups to get their name out there. However, not everyone has a big budget to work with. So in this video, we'll be sharing some tips and strategies on how to make the most of your limited resources. Point 1. Target audience. The first step in creating a successful digital marketing campaign on a limited budget is to identify your target audience. You need to understand their interests, needs, and pain points to create messaging that resonates with them. This can be done by analyzing your website data, social media insights, and customer feedback. Point 2. Channel selection. Choosing the right channels is crucial when working with a limited budget. Social media, email marketing, and content marketing are great options. Each channel requires a different approach and offers various benefits. For example, social media can help build brand awareness, email marketing can drive conversions, and content marketing can establish your brand as a thought leader in your industry. Point 3. Content creation. Creating high-quality content doesn't have to be expensive. You can leverage user-generated content, repurpose existing content, or create simple videos using your smartphone. The key is to make sure that your content aligns with your target audience's interests and needs. Point 4. Low-cost strategies. Maximizing the impact of your campaign without spending a lot of money is possible. Influencer marketing, guest posting, and collaborations are some low-cost strategies that can help you reach a wider audience. For example, partnering with micro-influencers can be more affordable than working with big names, and guest posting on high-authority websites can drive traffic to your site. Point 5. Optimization. Measuring your success and optimizing your campaigns over time is essential. You need to track your metrics, such as website traffic, engagement, and conversions, to see what's working and what's not. Then, adjust your strategies and tactics accordingly to improve your results.